In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to make automatic AFK fish farm in Minecraft in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. Start by digging 4 blocks in one line. Then place to connected chest, connect the hopper, a node boat on this side, and a block on the top. Then place your oak fence or any type of fence shift and place it on the top of the hopper. Then press the pressure plate in this place and press the oak trap door as you can see right here. Place your water and it will go on the side. Then use your fish and stand in this place and aim with your cursor on the between the trapdoor and the pressure plate and right click and start to right click in multiple times very fast as you can see like so. Then press F3 and T button. As you can see, it's fully automated by using any auto clicker. Let's see the chest, and as you can see, we catch two fishes. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.